welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a quick hair tutorial on this blowout like 90s hairstyle. All you're going to need today is a trusty straightener, a clip if you need, or a hair tie to just part your hair, a comb, and then some heat protectant if you have some. Remember, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. And subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to see more. And let's just get right into it. Heat that baby up.
As I'm waiting for my straightener to heat up, I'm just brushing through my hair and detangling it. I'm going to be spraying some heat protectant through it to protect it from any heat damage. And I put my straightener on a degrees of about 410, so it's pretty hot. But yeah, just spraying some heat protectant through it, brushing it out again so it's all evenly distributed. And as soon as I'm done that, I'm just going to start to part my hair. I kind of switch up the part later on in this video, as you will see, but I'm just putting half up and half down. If you have thicker hair, you can do smaller sections if you'd like. I'm going to be taking about a 2-inch section of my hair, and you'll see me run the straightener through it. And as I get to about 2 to 3 inches from the bottom, I'm going to be flipping it pretty much 90 degrees to get that curl.
You see that, you guys? That's what we want.
So now I'm pretty much just going to be repeating this same process to all of the rest of my hair. You might have to try a few times to get the perfect curl. As you can see, I was kind of struggling here. But yeah, it's pretty simple. Just run the straightener through and then flip it towards the end. If you want an even bouncier curl, you can flip it more. And if you want less, just don't curl it under as much.
See how much body there is compared to this? That is flat. That is giving no life, death even. This, there's some bounce, there's some health, there's some shine. She's an icon, she's a legend, and she is the moment. I just decided I'm gonna do half my hair so you guys can see the difference, so that's why I'm parting it a little bit weird. But I'm just gonna keep doing that to all the rest of my hair. And just to make it a little bit easy on yourself, or at least I find that this helps me, I always work from back to front when straightening and styling my hair. So I find if you do like the first part, then sometimes it can get in the way and you can't really see what you're doing like back here. So that's just something I do, a little tip.
By night, keep going crazy.
So here is one side done compared to the other. Lots more body and bounce, and overall just a better look in my opinion. So I'm just finishing up the other side I haven't done yet, and you'll see that I pretty much just do the exact same process on the other side, but I will take my bangs at one point and kind of do them a little bit differently, which you'll see in a second. So once I'm done both sides of my hair, I like to just take my bang section and I'm just going to brush it up, and then I'm going to take the straightener and do kind of the same thing but flipping it away from my hair. And what this just does is make sure that both sides are even. And then just to finish off the look, I'm going to take a little bit of dry shampoo and add it to my roots just to add some extra volume.
And that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And again, please thumbs up this video if you liked it and comment down below if you have any questions or comments. And subscribe if you want to see more. And yeah. I'll see you guys later.